guys, it's Lord Civic, and today we are going to be unboxing my new 4K Blu-ray player, the Panasonic UB820. If you've been following my channel for a while, I've recently started to do deep dive analysis reviews of the visual and audio fidelity of films. And with that, I just upgraded my audio equipment. As you can see behind me, I have also had unboxings of all the devices over the past couple of days. And today I wanted to get an upgrade on the visual side of things. So without further ado, let's hop right into this unboxing. So there's actually a couple of reasons on why I decided on the Panasonic UB820. And honestly, one of the biggest reasons was because the current 4K Blu-ray player, or it's honestly not even a 4K Blu-ray if you can call it that. I use my Xbox One X and it can play 4K Blu-ray disc, but the video processing on it is, it's not abysmal, but it's, I guess you could just say average. I believe inside is the Samsung Blu-ray player, if I'm correct. And it also doesn't support, it supports Dolby Atmos, but it doesn't support Dolby Vision. For my viewers that are watching that don't know what Dolby Vision is, basically the way regular HDR works is, yes, you get another dynamic range of like colors and different stuff like that, but Dolby Vision, the way it works is it changes the brightness and how radiant the colors is based off of the scene that's playing currently at that time. So some sequences in the movie will be dark, and HDR doesn't need to be, I guess, as dynamic and bright as, let's say another scene where it's like grasslands or there's fireworks or just laser battles or anything going on. It's basically, it's moving the brightness and the HDR levels on a scene-to-scene basis. And it gets a better level of visual fidelity, not only with that, but it just also looks way more visually impressive. I've seen Dolby Vision before, so I have an Apple TV, and what else supports? I think that might be the only thing that supports Dolby Vision that I have. But it's impressive. But the thing about with Apple TV or any streaming device is you're not getting the highest bit rate possible. The reason this is, I guess, like loosely packaged is because I actually ordered this, what's it called? Used. A new one is $500. And as I said, this is, I guess you would consider this a mid-range, high-end Blu-ray player. This thing came in at $500. I bought it used for $397. If you want to get like a high-end Blu-ray player, you're like $1,000, which is not something that I'm going to be spending on a Blu-ray player. This is already the price of a what's it called, like a console. Like, this is the same price as like a PlayStation or an Xbox. Like, it's $500, which is insane to think. But yeah, I believe that's all. Oh, let me get this last thing. There's the controller. So yeah, unboxed. So there you have it, guys, the unboxing of the Panasonic UB820. Like everything I unbox on this channel, I will also be doing a review. The turnaround for this one might be a little longer than normal though, because I not only have to get past the honeymoon phase of getting a new software or piece of hardware, I also have to watch a whole bunch of movies on this thing before I can get even a somewhat finalized review. But you will be able to see it in action starting next week when I do the demos of my new Klipsch audio speakers. With this thing, this is going to be pushing the visual side of it, so you'll be able to see a glimpse of like what I'm seeing, but you can look forward to a review in maybe 1 month or 2 months. I think that would be a good turnaround time when I can decide how I feel about that. But then again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe what you see, and I hope you guys have a good day.